Most teenagers think making money online is either a scam, too complicated, or only possible for adults. But the truth is, right now is actually the best time in history to start earning money online as a teenager. Even with zero experience, no degree, and very little investment. All you really need is a phone or laptop, internet, and the right direction. In this video, I'm going to show you realistic, proven ways teenagers around the world are making money online without fake promises and without wasting time. First, let's clear one thing. You are not trying to get rich overnight. You are trying to build skills, income, and confidence that will help you for the rest of your life. If you focus on that mindset, money will follow naturally. One of the easiest ways to start is freelancing. Freelancing simply means selling a skill online, and the good news is, the skill does not have to be advanced. Teenagers are already earning money by doing simple tasks like graphic design, using Canva, video editing for short clips, writing basic articles, managing social media pages, or even doing data entry. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer allow teenagers to offer services. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be one step better than a beginner. Learn one small skill from free YouTube tutorials, practice it, and start offering it as a service. Another powerful method is content creation. If you enjoy talking, teaching, or entertaining, you can start a YouTube channel, TikTok page, or Instagram account. You don't need expensive equipment. Many successful creators started with just a phone. Teenagers are making money through ads, brand deals, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Choose one topic you like, such as gaming, education, finance basics, motivation, or storytelling, and stay consistent. At first, you won't earn much, but over time, content becomes a digital asset that can pay you again and again. If you don't want to show your face, you can still make money online. Blogging is a great option. Teenagers can create blogs about topics like study tips, technology, online earning, or even hobbies. Blogs make money through ads and affiliate marketing. It takes time, but once a blog starts getting traffic, it can generate passive income. The key is patience and consistency. Affiliate marketing is another smart option. This means promoting other people's products and earning a commission on each sale. You don't need to create a product or handle customer service. You simply share a special link. Teenagers often promote products through social media, YouTube, or blogs. The secret is to recommend products you actually understand or use. Trust builds income. Online tutoring is also a very underrated method. If you are good at any subject like math, English, science, or even a language, you can teach younger students online. Websites and Facebook groups regularly look for online tutors. Teaching not only earns money, but also improves your communication and confidence. Now, let's talk about mindset. Many teenagers fail not because the methods don't work, but because they quit too early. Online income is not magic. The first month may feel slow. The second month may feel frustrating, but the third and fourth months are where things start to change. Every skill you learn compounds over time. What feels hard today becomes easy tomorrow. Also, avoid shortcuts and scams. If someone promises fast money with no effort, stay away. Real online income requires effort, learning, and patience. Focus on building skills, not chasing hype. Time management is very important. As a teenager, your education comes first. Use 1 or 2 hours a day wisely instead of wasting time scrolling endlessly. That small daily effort can completely change your future. Remember this, starting early is your biggest advantage. Adults wish they had started learning online skills at your age. Even if you earn a small amount now, the experience you gain is priceless. If you stay consistent, learn daily, and don't give up. Making money online as a teenager is not just possible, it's realistic. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to Smart Finance Mentor, and turn on notifications, because on this channel, we break down money, online earning, and wealth building in the simplest way possible. Start today, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.